I've said it before and I'll say it again, we absolutely love our Fusion-Loc products. We've used them in all of our caravans and we used them in a house when we had one of those. Now most Fusion-Loc products are available from Bunnings, but this one here, this double spice rack, which is available in black or in chrome, is not usually available at Bunnings. But for this month only, select Bunnings stores have a very limited number of these double spice racks at a $20 discount. So my advice is to hurry up and get shopping, because once they're gone, they're gone. Now these products are fabulous because you don't need screws, you don't need to drill any holes. They are applied with one of these, suction. They just stick to the wall. And I thought today might be a really good opportunity for me to show you how to install one. So the rest of the Fusion-Loc products in our van are black. I'll just spin this around here so you can have a little squeeze. So we've got the shells, we've got the paper towel holder, we've got the hooks, everything's black. I'm not going to be super specific, so I have actually cleaned it off. So make sure you clean the surface first, line it up properly, you know, get your tape measure out or whatever to make sure that it's lined up properly. You can see there's a little arrow pointing down there. You need to make sure that's pointing down. So like I said, this is just a really rough idea of how it works. So you just pop them on there. They do stick a little bit, and then you pop this suction thing on there like that, and you give it 6 pumps. 6. There it is. Hopefully that's not too close to the top one. I really did not measure it out here. Do as I say, not as I do. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm actually only going to do 4. Well, let's christen the train horn, just in case I do have to take them off. They are very easy to remove as well though. So once you've done that, it's just a matter of getting these little hooky bits here and slotting them on. 1 and 2. Then you get your product. This bit here pushes against the wall, so it goes on this way. That sits on there like that. Well, I think I might have done an all right job. And then these little bits here, ooh, they slide on the top like this, just to hold it all in place. And we do find when we're going, I'm gonna bring a bit closer. We do find when we're going on the corrugation that these sometimes pop off. So if the roads are super corrugated that we're driving on, we actually do take them down, but that's very, very rare. That's like Gibb River Road, Morini Loop Road, that's like insane stuff. All of this actually stays in the Fusion-Loc when we travel. So back to the double spice rack. Ta-da! That's it. That's how easy it is. It's available in chrome, it's available in black, it's available at select Bunnings stores, so I will drop a link to the Fusion-Loc post that lets you know where you're able to purchase these, which specific stores contain stock. But please remember that once stock is gone, it's gone. So what are you waiting for? Get shopping.